Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Miss Samantha, with my Christian Mommy Grammy Gaming channel. And today we get to do an unboxing. I love unboxings. Means I got something new. And probably I'm going to be able to add something to my YouTube content depth. You know, might improve. We can always hope, right? But this is today's unboxing. I have a VideoMic Me. So, I don't know if you guys have ever heard of these, but we're going to go check it out.
Miss Samantha, the Christian Mommy Grammy Gamer.
I'm going to go ahead and read the back of the box, because that's always a good start. VideoMic Me is a high-quality microphone for your iPhone or iPad, or in my case, my Android, designed to give you incredible audio when shooting video. I guess I should put the box up. It's an unboxing. I can't. I'm old. I have to hold it way far away. You'll get there, kids. You wait. The microphone's directionability reduces surrounding noises to focus exactly on what you're filming. Make sure your videos are clear and intelligible. I don't know if the mic can do that for me, but the audio should improve. All right, let's go ahead and open this thing. Got my handy dandy paring knife out of the kitchen. Break the seal. Boop, 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 boop. You gotta be careful. Kids, if you're doing this at home, ask your parents' help. Okay, I got it. I think I'm gonna adjust the camera so we can see more. Okay, I adjusted the camera. I have the box open. Bum, bum, bum. See. Okay, I'm excited. I'm so excited. Dun, dun, dun. That's it. It's an empty box. I should put this where you guys can see it. Just imagine it's there. Use your imagination. Oh, you got a really nice shot of my my regular full-size Blue Yeti. All right, I have a unboxing for that too. I'll link it down in the description. All right, VideoMic Me quick start guide. Open the great plastic. Oh, give me a second. It's easy. It just pulls apart. Oh, I love it just for that. I didn't have to try to chop my fingers off with scissors to get it open or nothing. Or nothing. Grammar is not my friend. All right, don't eat this. All right. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that. And that is the clamp. Okay. Okay. I'm going to get the quick start guide because I want to call everything by the proper name. Video Me quick start guide. A furry windshield. There we go. So the very first thing you notice when you pick it up is it comes with this furry windshield. Now these things are so cool when you're outside. This blocks the wind noise. So we're going to go outside in just a little bit and test how well it works. Bum, bum, bum. Let me figure out how to get it off there. Well, at least it's on there secure. Boop. There we go. Cool. Windsock? Oh, windshield? What did I say? It's a furry windshield. Okay. So this is the VideoMic Me. It says you're reading upside down. Whoa. Well, I almost unscrewed something. Don't unscrew anything until you find out what it is. Okay, SD number and VideoMic Me. Nice. There we go. That's what it looks like from here. All right, so this part just goes in your regular audio jack on your phone. This thing is incredible. I'm in love. All right. And this is, you can plug in your buds or your headphones if you're monitoring your audio as you go. I'm not that advanced. I'm just going to be using it for a mic. So it's a shotgun mic. It picks up sounds from this side. Nice. All right, there's the main part. And this is the clamp part. I can't even get the bag open. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Nice. So what you do is you slide this on here. So you slide that on there and it clamps on your phone to keep the mic secure. So while you're walking around making your vlogs or whatever, it'll stay on there secure. Now let's try it out on my phone and see what it looks like and how it sounds. Okay, this is my phone and its cute little phone case. Got any pertinent information on it? Nope. I've got some tweets and stuff. Oh, it's my granddaughter. Alright, so we are going to just place this in the jack. Now my camera is up here at the top. My audio jack's down here, so when I'm making vlogs, the mic will not get in the way. Alright, so I'm going to plug that in there. And then slide that up. Oh, wow. That is so simple. That is so simple. Oh, I wonder if it's going to pick it up because of my case. Ooh, it should still work. So I'm going to make a little video on my phone while I'm making the unboxing video, and we'll see what the sound sounds like in editing. I'll put them like side by side or one after the other so we can see. I guess I should get some sort of holding device for my phone, a tripod of some sort. Okay, you ready? I'm going to hit record. Boop. Okay, the recording is going. It's being picked up by my Blue Yeti and this microphone. So I just wanted to see... Hi, how you doing? Oh, look down here at the camera. On the phone. Always forget to look at the camera in the phone. So, that ought to do it. That ought to be good enough for a test, for a close range at handheld, you know, like you're walking around doing a vlog. So I'm going to stop it now. Okay, the recording is going. It's being picked up by my Blue Yeti and this microphone. So I just wanted to see... Hi, how you doing? Oh, look down here at the camera. On the phone. Always forget to look at the camera in the phone. So, that ought to do it. That ought to be good enough for a test, for a close range at handheld, you know, like you're walking around doing a vlog. So I'm going to stop it now. I don't even know what it's going to sound like until I get into production, until I get into editing. Oh, Desk Kitty. Like that's important. Desk Kitty. Magic. All right, now I guess we need to go outside and test it with the wind sock. Is it windshield sock? I've heard it called a dead cat too. It's like, oh, that's a terrible name. So yeah, I'm going to go out and make a recording outside with the sock and without the sock, and we'll see if we can tell the difference. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay guys, here I am outside with the VideoMic Me on my phone, and it's pretty breezy out and it's very chilly. I'm in a scarf and a jacket. I'm in my neighborhood, so you can't really hear road noises, but it's very breezy out here. It's like this is... I'm aiming the mic literally into the wind right now. So, yeah. See what happens. And then I'm going to put the wind sock on and see if there's a difference. Oh, the wind changed. See if there's a difference in the... Oh, we're doing yard work. That's what shovels are for. See if there's a difference in the quality of the sound with the wind. So hold on there. Okay, I've just put the wind sock on. I don't know what the difference is. We'll find out when I get back to the editing. But I'm going to turn it around. Can you hear the birds in the background? It's getting up on spring. So I'm just turning around so you can hear the different wind sounds. That's my neighbor's house. Man, we need to do more yard work. Oh, the wind is really rustling in the trees. I'm going to give it a couple seconds and then we'll go inside. Wow. Oh, maybe I'll just, here, have some treetops. That's the wind in the treetops. Okay, let's go inside. Dun, dun, dun. So how was that for a test? Now this is me walking around. I don't know if that'll make a difference or not. So we're gonna walk around. You can hear me walking through the leaves. I guess if you're vlogging in the city, you won't hear the leaf part. Turn back around. Walk the other way. Oh, I could hear my neighbor is talking on his phone. Wait, I'll make sure that might have got my house number in there. I'll edit that out. And then back into the wind. Oh, you can see the wind blow my hair back. So windy. Okay. I guess that's good enough. Well, there we go, guys. That's the test videos. That's the unboxing. I am very excited about this. I'm going to be able to put up more vlogs, more, snippets of my life, because I like sharing day-to-day life with you guys too. And this thing fit beautifully on my phone. It worked great. The wind sock worked fabulous. I didn't realize what a big deal the wind made. Well, I did. That's part of why I never make videos outside. But yeah, this thing just slid on. It's amazing. Simplicity. I love simplicity. And just for the fact that I didn't have to lose a finger trying to get the packaging open, kudos to you, Rode Mike. So this thing, it wasn't very expensive. I think it was $59 on Amazon. I'm going to put a link down in the description. So yep, go check that out. And if you want to make more outside vlogs or just vlogging in general, this works so much better than my buds. I got a bud with the mic in, which is better than just the phone mic, but nothing like this. I totally recommend this. I love this. This is not sponsored, by the way. Hashtag not sponsored. Rode, call me. I would love to be a sponsor. I mean, sponsored by you. Yeah. So you guys, thanks for watching. If this is your first time visiting, pretty please subscribe. I make 4 or 5 videos every single week. I make unboxing videos, obviously. I make Minecraft and Roblox, and I'm just enjoying doing videos for folks. I'm using this like a pointer. Emphasis. So yeah, you guys, make sure you like it. If you liked it, go check out my other unboxing videos, and I will see y'all in the next live stream or the next video. Bye. Oh, I guess I'll do this. Okay, I'm silly now. Bye, guys.